Let's begin with the yoga session. Om chanting. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Relax. Rub your hands. Start palming. Gently keep your hands on your face, neck, your entire body. Feel happy, positive, and energetic. Now get ready for warm-up and stretching exercises. Hand stretching. Yoga warm-up prepares the body physically and mentally so that it can adapt to the further changes going to occur in the body. Before yoga, our body remains in a less active state, which needs to be transformed in order to perform various yoga asanas better. Wrist rotation. Focus on your breathing while doing your exercises. The breathing during the yoga warm-up wakes up the prana or makes it more aware to work upon the body in further changes. It enhances blood flow to the muscles and makes body more flexible. Shoulder rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Butterfly exercise. It increases the flexibility of your legs and reduces the chances of injury. Forward bending. It stretches your back muscles. Side stretching. Focus on your breathing. First, breathe in and stretch down. Feel a stretch at one side of your body. Now, back stretching. Now, leg stretching variation 1. It's variation 2. Stretch your back muscles. Leg stretching variation 3. Stretch your leg muscles. Now backward bending. Breathe in and bend backward. A spinal twisting variation 1. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Spinal twisting variation 2. Try to touch your toes and raise your another arm up. Spinal twisting variation 3. Relax. We'll start with Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar means sun salutation, which means we are worshipping sun, which is a main source of energy on the earth. It is one of the best yogic exercises as it alone gives us the benefits of different asanas. It is more beneficial when it is practiced at sunrise and sunset facing the sun. It is combination of 12 asanas of well-balanced movements that will stretch all the muscles in the body, thus keeping the body and mind healthy. It strengthens the entire digestive system, lungs and back. It improves the circulation of the blood. It helps to energizes and detoxify your body. It helps in losing weight. Let's begin with asanas. Tadasana. It stretches the arms, chest, spine, abdomen and legs. Improves your posture and harmonizes body and mind. It helps to improve blood circulation. Triaka Tadasana. There is a good massage of the spine. The shoulder gets stronger. It improves digestion and kidneys functions. Reduces side belly fat. Vriksha Asana. It creates a sense of balance inside the body. It also helps to build mental well-being, focus and concentration. It makes your mind sharp. It strengthens ligaments of the ankles and feet. It improves overall posture. Very beneficial for lungs and heart. Trikona Asana. It helps our body to cure gastritis, indigestion, acidity and flatulence. It refreshes our body as well as stimulates our digestive system. By bending your body to either side simultaneously, improves the flexibility of the spine and cures back pain. It improves blood circulation throughout the body. It helps to reduce stress. It corrects the alignment of shoulders. Parsvakonasana Asana. It stretches and strengthens the knees, ankles and thighs. Gives a good stretch to lungs, spine and abdomen. Useful in removing excess fat around the waist and hips. Beneficial for people who suffer from sciatica pain. Hal Asana. It improves digestion and appetite, effective in weight loss, strengthens the abdominal muscles, beneficial for diabetic people. It helps to make spinal cord strong and flexible. Sarvang Asana calms the brain and helps to relieve stress, stimulates the thyroid and abdominal organs, nourishes the brain with more blood. Chakra Asana. The chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This makes the pose especially beneficial for asthma patients. It reduces stress and tension in the body. It sharpens eyesight. This asana helps to strengthen the back and increases the elasticity of the spine. Pavan Mukta Asana. It massages the intestines and other abdominal organs and helps to reduce belly fat. It improves digestion and relieves constipation. Bhujanga Asana. It decreases stiffness of lower back. It tones your body and the spinal nerves, keeping the spine strong and flexible. Nauka Asana. It strengthens the muscles of the arms, thighs and shoulders. It improves the health of all organs in the abdomen. Dhanur Asana. It expands the chest and increases the breathing capacity of the lungs. It strengthens your abdominal muscles and improves digestion. Ushtra Asana. It keeps lungs, liver and kidneys healthy. It controls diabetes and improves digestion. It strengthens the spine and keeps the mind calm. Shashank Asana. It stretches your back muscles and cures back pain. It relaxes your mind and body. Dand Asana. It improves your posture, strengthens back muscles. It stretches shoulders and chest. Vakra Asana. It improves digestion and cures constipation. It is beneficial in controlling diabetes. It helps to reduce belly fat. It makes the spine flexible and cures shoulder and back pain. Vayu Mudra. Firstly, join the tip of the middle finger and ring finger with the tip of the thumb. Now touch the base of the thumb with the tip of the index finger. Leave the little finger extended as much as possible. Do the same arrangement with both hands simultaneously and place both hands on your upper thighs. You can sit in any cross-legged position. Morning time is the best time to perform this mudra. For the best results, we should perform a mudra for more than 20 minutes. Single stretch or 2-3 stretches of 10 to 15 minutes. It prevents heart disorders, improves digestion, prevents respiration related problems. It soothes the nervous system. As a result, it reduces nervousness. Udan Vayu Mudra. It is a hand mudra or gesture in yoga used for improving speech, respiratory system and the thyroid. Touch tip of index finger, middle finger and ring finger to tip of the thumb. The little finger remains straight. This mudra should be done with both hands in any posture, sitting, standing, walking or lying. For best results, it should be done every day. It helps to regulate the blood flow to the brain and helps in effortless thinking, creativity and intellectual sharpness. It can improve memory, it improves the respiratory function and alleviate asthma by ensuring smooth breathing. Udan Vayu Mudra improves voice and speech control. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Close your eyes and sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana and rest one hand in Apan Vayu Mudra on your knee. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Inhale the oxygen as much as you can. This will fill your lungs with air. Now close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through right nostril. Again, breathe in through right and exhale through your left nostril. This completes one round. You may practice it for 5 minutes daily. Be focused and concentrate on your breathing. It helps to cure mental problems like depression, anxiety, stress, tension, etc. Most beneficial for breathing related problems. Kapal Bhati Pranayam. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Place your hands in Udan Vayu Mudra on the knees. The breathing technique involves active exhalation and passive inhalation, increases the metabolic rate and aids in weight loss, enhances the capacity of the lungs and make them stronger, stimulates the abdominal organs, improves blood circulation and aids radiance to the face. Bhramari Pranayam. Sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana or any sitting posture in which you feel comfortable. Inhale and exhale to make the body comfortable. Close your ears with index finger softly. First inhale and exhale producing M sound. Repeat 3 to 5 times. The humming sound facilitates the concentration of the mind. It has a positive effect on the entire body and mind, especially on the nervous system. It helps in balancing blood sugar. It is quite beneficial for people suffering from Alzheimer. This pranayam is extremely beneficial for heart patients. It is quite helpful in paralysis. It is effective in building confidence. It also improves the concentration and memory of the person. Thank you, everyone.